Thomas is in the car and he's going to give it a start up for us. It's like just straight from the cats because why not? All right, you're good. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas. Today we have a very awaited video. All right, this is a big moment. Okay, this is a big moment for me, big moment for my car. And yeah, so today, you couldn't tell by the title, we're installing my new REV9 Catback exhaust. So you get a first look at it, we'll lay it all out so you can see it, and then you get the install video. So it should be pretty exciting. Make sure to stay tuned for that. And then there's some more exciting videos coming after this one. And I actually have Thomas pulling up right here. Smokey, he's gonna help us out today. Looking clean. What's up? What's up, sir? All right, so me and Thomas just went and got food, got some Carl's Jr. And we came over here and we set the exhaust, not like in the actual layout, you know, but we have it all here on the floor. This is it. So obviously those two are the mufflers. These are mid pipes with flex pipes in them, and then little extensions over there. And then we have all the gaskets still here. But yeah, we're gonna get this going pretty soon. Go down there, you know, what's up, and yeah. Okay, update time. We got most of them off. There's one right here that is a circle. It is completely smooth because we impacted both of the ones that are going to the muffler, and then the other one that's next to the stripped one, so on the mid pipe. So yeah, we have to get that one off, and then we're totally good. We got the two fronts. Those are to the flex pipe. Those disconnected. Get the rounded one off, and then the hangers, and then we're chilling. We can drop the exhaust, and yeah. So getting going, you know. I hate this stupid thing. All right, so Thomas just finished up with, let's see, what were you doing? Just like grinding it down?
Yeah, I was just grinding it down, cutting the bolt off.
Okay.
The rust kind of welded itself together.
Okay, so he just finished that up. It worked, exhaust came apart, so now we just have all the hangers to deal with. There's two keeping the muffler up, and then there's one more after the flex pipe in the mid pipe. So I think there's three total, right? Yeah, so 3 hangers to pop out, and then give it a start up without any exhaust, just for fun, you know? And then throw the new one on, so yeah. All right, you're good. Good.
normal. Blue